Some mornings, your body feels like it's dragging behind your life. You're awake, but you're not present. Well, not yet. Let's hit the mat. If your body feels stiff and heavy, this move gives you length and breadth. Start on hands and knees, tuck your toes, lift your hips to the sky, and press your heels gently toward the mat. Relax your head, pedal out your feet if needed. Let it feel intuitive. I promise this move is how you unlock full body circulation and mental clarity. Too tight in the hamstrings? Bend your knees slightly and focus on lengthening through your spine. Hold for 5 more seconds, then soften your jaw. Now that your back's loose, let's open your hips. You're stronger than you feel, and this move helps you remember. From downward dog, lift your right leg toward the sky. Keep your hips square or open them slightly. Press evenly through both hands and lengthen from heel to fingertips. I promise this move is how you unlock balance and glute power. Need a simpler version? Keep your foot lower and bend the lifted leg. Do you feel that in your hips yet? Let that right leg reach just a little more. Balance isn't about perfection, it's about practice. Switch sides, lift your left leg up with control, letting the stretch travel through your whole backside. Keep your breath steady and your shoulders grounded. I promise this move is how you unlock strength through instability. Too much? Lower the leg slightly or shorten your stance. This next one adds movement and rotation. Stay with me. Now that your hips are open, let's add a twist. This move reminds you can rise and rotate, even from a low place. Sink into a deep squat, place your right hand down and lift your left arm toward the sky, rotating your torso open. Gaze if comfortable. Alternate to the opposite side. I promise this move is how you unlock spinal mobility and ground control. Hard to balance? Widen your stance or use a block under your bottom. Keep your chest lifted and hips open. I promise this move is how you unlock balance and breath from your center. Tighten the ankles? It's okay if your heels lift. We're almost there. Your pelvis is next. Now that you've twisted and grounded, let's move your core. If your hips feel stiff or stuck, this one will free you. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Begin drawing large, slow circles with your hips. First clockwise, then counterclockwise. Keep your knees soft and your breath fluid. I promise this move is how you unlock pelvic flow and emotional release. Feeling playful? Try closing your eyes and let your body guide you. This move helps detox your lymphatic system. Did you know that? We end in stillness. Let's calm everything down. This is your exhale, your release, your grounding. From standing, slowly fold forward from the hips, let your arms dangle or grab opposite elbows. Soften your knees if needed. Let your head be heavy. I promise this move is how you unlock quiet strength and internal peace. Can't reach the floor? Rest your hands on your shins or a block. Let's make this last one your strongest hold yet. You've come this far. Stay with me.